Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. We had a viewer request involving the Clearcoat, and the question was, can you put multiple layers on? Generally, from my experience, and it was really only one incident, what I found is if you put it on again when it's wet, you're kind of going to be kind of okay. If you don't do that, if you wait and it gets a little bit tacky, it starts to set up, that it just doesn't like to stick to it. It doesn't look right. So I did a little experiment, and this video kind of lay it all out for you. I did it over several weeks. So the first layer I put on was about, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, then a week in, 2 weeks in, and then finally 3 weeks in. Just adding one more quick layer on top. I did Gun Candy on one side and regular Cerakote Clear MC156 on the other. And honestly, it turned out pretty much like I thought it would. It just kind of almost has like a glazed look to it. It's just not very good. I personally wouldn't do it on any of our projects. As usual, we always have pictures at the end. This time I've recently picked up a GoPro Karma gimbal, and we use that to just kind of do like a slow roll by of the project instead of just still photos. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.